Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Dezin electric hot pot upgraded, a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a small gathering, this 4-liter non-stick electric hot pot offers a combination of functionality, safety, and convenience that stands out in the world of electric cookware. The Dezin electric hot pot boasts a substantial 4-liter capacity, making it perfect for serving 4 to 6 people comfortably. Its spacious and deep cooking area is ideal for a variety of meals, from a cozy Shabu Shabu hot pot dinner to stir-frying vegetables or chicken. What makes this hot pot truly multifunctional is the adjustable power settings. You can easily control the heat to cook delicate dishes like soups or steaks on low power or crank it up for quick frying and simmering. This power flexibility means you get the taste and texture you want without needing multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. One of the highlights of this upgraded model is its 100% food-grade non-stick coating. This coating allows you to cook with less oil and produces less smoke, contributing to a healthier cooking environment and easier cleanup. The scratch-resistant surface means you can clean it by hand without worrying about damaging the pot, ensuring durability and longevity. Safety is a major focus with the Dezin electric hot pot. It features overheating protection, which automatically shuts off the heating element if the pot gets too hot, preventing accidents. The double wall design helps retain heat efficiently while keeping the exterior cool to the touch, so you don't have to worry about burns. Additionally, the Stay Cool handle is ergonomically designed for safe and comfortable handling, even during or right after cooking. The heating element itself is a 1200-watt spiral tube that provides rapid, even heat distribution across the entire base of the pot. This means your food cooks faster than on a conventional stove, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Whether you're simmering a broth, steaming, or frying, you'll notice consistent results every time. Included with the hot pot is a heat-resistant glass lid featuring a steam vent. This practical design lets you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, keeping moisture and heat locked in to maintain flavors and textures. The glass lid also adds a sleek, modern look to the appliance. At just over 5.7 pounds and measuring approximately 13 by 13 inches. This electric hot pot is portable enough to move around your kitchen or take along for small parties and gatherings. Its compact footprint means it fits easily on countertops without taking up too much space. In summary, the best Dezin electric hot pot upgraded offers excellent versatility, making it more than just a hot pot. It's your go-to appliance for frying, steaming, simmering, and of course, enjoying delicious Shabu Shabu meals. With thoughtful safety features, a healthy non-stick surface, and powerful heating, this pot is designed to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional electric hot pot that serves a family or small group, this model from Dezin should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you honest insights into the latest products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.